All right, guys, we got a 2002, I think it's Ford Thunderbird. He's seen a video that we did on YouTube. He still has his mid mufflers on it, so a little bit different sound than the video we have on, I think from a year ago or something like that. Anyways, factory converter there, into the mids, and then a weird H-pipe, X-pipe stock, and then we put the Borlas on there right there, with the customer supplied tips. There and right there, and out the back. Clean, a lot nicer than what was on it. Fills out the gap a little bit more. There you guys go. Let you guys hear it. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. So, Borla rears and stock mids. Sound decibels. It's deep. Fairly clean too. 86. I think it peaked at like 88 earlier. Let you guys hear it on the inside. (2002) Ford Thunderbird, stock mids. We did Borla on the rear and new tips.